Hello everyone, welcome to QGM Stream Live, and this is Yvonne, and we are going today we are going to talk about the QT6 main machine, and the QGM was founded in 1979, has the longest history of the block making machine, and the QT series also has the longest history of the block making machine, and I'm here to give more details about our QT6. The QT6, the machine, the length is about 9.66 meters, and the width and the height is about 2.8 meters, and the gross weight of the machine is about 7.5 tons. The pallet size is about the 850 by 680 millimeters, and the capacity of the concrete, the hollow block concrete, is about 6,600 to 800,400 pieces, and the hollow block of the 40 by 20 by 20 centimeters, and it can produce the rectangular pavers up to the 500 square meters. And now we are going to the main machine highlights of the 6 features. The first feature is the PLC. It uses the Siemens PLC and the Siemens touch screen. It's the visual, and it's very easy to operate. And we can set up, update, and amend the parameters, and to maximize the production output. And the troubleshooting can be via the teleservice. The second features of the QT6 machine is the hydraulic system. It uses the high proportional and the direction valves, and it can adjust the oil pressure and the oil flows. The oil pipes is combined with the high pressure and the soft, is very easy to install. And the third features of the QT6 is the fitting system. The fitting system consists of the multi-shaft and compulsory fitting. The fitting system can improve the block's high quality, and make sure the density and intensity of the blocks, as well as to reduce the fitting time. The fourth feature is integrated structure of the vibration and the mounting platform. As the integrated structure, it can reduce the machine's weight and improve the vibration efficiency. The features is the double line vibration force proof system. It can reduce the vibration force on the machine, and prolong the machine and prolong the machine lifetime. The 6 features of the QT6 machine is the guiding bearing. The guiding bearing can improve the accuracy of the parallel of the between the temper head and the and the mothballs. The steel is used for the high quality steel, and after the heat treatment, the hardness can reach to the 55 HRC. It's very wear resistant. And the frequency conversion control system can measure the synchronization between the temper head and the mothballs. Meanwhile, the frequency conversion system can prevent the motor from the overheated, and also that's above the six features is all I would like to share with you. And after besides the main machine, we have equipped the opponents such as the batching and the mixing system and the stacker. If you have to have the more questions, you can make the comments. And we have the warranty for the QT6 machine for periods of the 12 months or the 2,000 production hours. Okay, thank you for your listening.